case anybody didn't know, I have some cub cadets. Yeah, they're waiting to mow the lawn. These babies are raring to go. Look at that. That is a 50-inch. Right here, 50-inch. 50-inch Cub Cadet. This one right here is a 46-inch Cub Cadet. This one right here is a 42-inch Cub Cadet. Look at them babies. I'm waiting for a shoot for this one. And then I can put that on. That's what she looks like. She's a little cleaned up, but they're all in very nice shape. I like to play with them and repair them. So if anybody's got a Cub Cadet like these, let me know. I'll buy it off you. If it's something you don't like, I like them.